The 19th century witnessed a revolution. It was a time of great change and innovation, a period that would forever alter the course of human history. This revolution was not fought with swords or guns, but with steam and steel. It was a revolution powered by steam. The steam engine, a marvel of engineering, became the driving force behind this transformation. It was the heartbeat of a new era, an era that would see the world shrink as distances became shorter and travel became faster. This was the age of the railway. Trains transformed transport in ways that were previously unimaginable. They connected cities, towns, and even countries, creating a network that brought people closer together. They moved goods and people faster than ever before. The railways became the arteries of commerce, pumping life into economies and enabling the rapid movement of raw materials and finished products. Factories could now receive supplies and ship out goods with unprecedented speed. The impact on society was immense. People could travel for work, leisure and education, broadening their horizons and creating new opportunities. The railways democratized travel, making it accessible to a wider range of people. Before trains, journeys were long and arduous. Traveling from one city to another could take days or even weeks, depending on the distance and the conditions of the roads. Roads were often in poor condition. They were muddy, bumpy, and difficult to navigate, especially during bad weather. Travelers faced numerous challenges, from broken wheels to bandits. Horse-drawn carriages were slow and uncomfortable. They offered little protection from the elements, and the journey was often a test of endurance for both the passengers and the horses. The invention of the steam locomotive changed everything. It was a game changer, a technological breakthrough that opened up new possibilities. The steam locomotive could travel faster and carry more weight than any horse-drawn carriage. It promised a future of faster and more efficient travel. The steam locomotive was just the beginning. It paved the way for the development of more advanced trains, each one faster and more efficient than the last. The steam engine itself had existed for some time. It was initially used to pump water out of mines, but its potential for transportation was soon realized. However, it was its application to transport that proved revolutionary. The first steam locomotive journey was a momentous event, a proof of concept that demonstrated the viability of steam-powered transport. Early pioneers experimented with steam-powered vehicles. They faced numerous challenges and setbacks, but their perseverance paid off. Their experiments laid the foundation for the development of the modern railway system. Their efforts laid the groundwork for the railways we know today. The construction of the railway network was a monumental task, requiring immense resources and labor. It was a feat of engineering and human determination. The story of the train is one of innovation, ambition, and engineering prowess. It is a story of visionaries who dared to dream big and engineers who turned those dreams into reality. It is a testament to the human desire to overcome challenges and connect the world. The railways brought people of different cultures and backgrounds together, fostering understanding and cooperation. Let us embark on this incredible journey, tracing the evolution of trains from their humble beginnings to the marvels of modern engineering we see today. From the first steam locomotives to the high-speed trains that zip across continents, the story of the railway is a story of progress and innovation. Join us as we explore the milestones, the challenges, and the triumphs that have shaped the world of rail transport. The year was 1804, a time of great innovation and industrial progress. Richard Trevithick, a visionary British inventor, achieved a groundbreaking feat that would change the course of transportation history. He created the first steam locomotive to run on rails, a marvel of engineering that combined power and ingenuity. This momentous event took place in the rugged landscapes of Wales, where the Industrial Revolution was beginning to take hold. Richard Trevithick. My locomotive was a crude but powerful machine, a testament to the potential of steam power. It successfully hauled a load of iron for over 9 miles, a remarkable achievement that demonstrated the locomotive's capabilities. This demonstration of steam power captured the imagination of many, sparking interest and excitement about the future of transportation. Although successful, Trevithick's locomotive had limitations that needed to be addressed. The track at the time was not strong enough to support its weight, leading to frequent breakdowns and maintenance issues. This hindered its practicality for widespread use. as the infrastructure needed to support such machines was not yet in place. Despite these challenges, Trevithick's invention was a pivotal moment in the history of locomotion. It demonstrated the potential of steam-powered locomotives to revolutionize transportation and industry. His work paved the way for future inventors to refine and improve upon his design, leading to more efficient and reliable locomotives. The journey towards a truly practical railway had begun, setting the stage for the development of the modern rail systems we rely on today. The impact of Trevithick's invention on the Industrial Revolution was profound, transforming the way goods and people moved across the country. As steam locomotives evolved, they became faster, more powerful, and more efficient, driving economic growth and connecting distant regions. Richard Trevithick's legacy lives on, as his contributions to engineering and transportation continue to be celebrated and built upon. Today, modern railways owe much to the early pioneers like Trevithick, whose vision and determination laid the groundwork for the advanced train systems we have now. Museums around the world preserve these early steam locomotives, honouring the ingenuity and hard work of those who dared to dream big. As we look to the future, the spirit of innovation that drove Trevithick continues to inspire new advancements in transportation and technology. From high-speed trains to sustainable transport solutions, the journey that began with Trevithick's first steps on iron continues to shape our world. And so the legacy of Richard Trevithick and his pioneering steam locomotive endures, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. George Stephenson is a name synonymous with railways. His contributions to the development of railway systems have left an indelible mark on the history of transportation. In 1825, he achieved a milestone with his locomotive, Locomotion No. 1. This pioneering engine was a marvel of engineering, showcasing the potential of steam power in revolutionizing transport. This marked the opening of the Stockton and Darlington Railway in England. The railway was a groundbreaking project, connecting the towns of Stockton and Darlington and facilitating the movement of goods and people over a significant distance. George Stephenson. The Stockton and Darlington Railway was a triumph. It was not just a technical success, but also a symbol of the industrial age, representing the dawn of a new era in transportation. It was the world's first public railway to use steam locomotives. This innovation set the stage for the widespread adoption of railways, which would soon become the backbone of industrial economies. It transported both goods and passengers. The ability to move large quantities of coal, iron, and other materials efficiently was crucial for industrial growth, while passenger services opened up new possibilities for travel and communication. This demonstrated the commercial viability of railways. Investors and entrepreneurs quickly recognized the potential for profit, leading to a boom in railway construction and the rapid expansion of the network. Stevenson's Locomotion No. 1 was a testament to his engineering skills. The locomotive's design incorporated several innovative features, such as a multi-tubular boiler and improved cylinder placement, which enhanced its efficiency and power. It was more reliable and powerful than its predecessors. This reliability was crucial for the success of the railway, as it ensured that trains could run on schedule and handle the demands of heavy freight and passenger loads. It could haul heavier loads at greater speeds. This capability was a game changer, allowing for faster and more efficient transportation of goods and people, which in turn spurred economic growth and development. The success of the Stockton and Darlington Railway spurred further investment in railways. Investors saw the potential for high returns, leading to a surge in railway projects across Britain and eventually the world. It marked the beginning of a transport revolution that would transform Britain and the world. The railway network expanded rapidly, connecting cities, towns, and rural areas, facilitating trade, travel, and communication on an unprecedented scale. This revolution played a key role in the industrialization of nations, shaping the modern world as we know it.
In 1829, my son Robert and I unveiled our most famous creation, the rocket. This revolutionary locomotive won a competition held at Rainhill near Liverpool.
The Rainhill trials were a showcase for the latest locomotive technology. The rocket outperformed its competitors with its speed and efficiency. It achieved an unprecedented speed of 30 miles per hour.
The rocket's success was due to several key innovations. These included a multi-tube boiler for increased heating surface and a blast pipe that improved draft. These features became standard in future steam locomotives.
The impact of the rocket was profound. It cemented the reputation of steam locomotives as a viable form of transport. The railway age had truly begun. The success of early railways in Britain sparked a global phenomenon. Countries across Europe and North America began constructing their own rail networks. The railway mania had gripped the world. In Britain, thousands of miles of track were laid in a few short decades. The railway boom created jobs, boosted the economy and transformed society. People could travel further and faster than ever before. The United States embraced railways with equal enthusiasm. Transcontinental railroads connected the East and West coasts. This opened up vast territories for settlement and trade. Railways facilitated the transport of goods and raw materials. This fueled industrial growth and international trade. The world was becoming increasingly interconnected thanks to the power of the railways. The 20th century witnessed a new era in railway technology. While steam had reigned supreme for over a century, new contenders emerged: diesel and electric locomotives. Diesel locomotives offered several advantages over their steam counterparts. They were more fuel efficient and required less maintenance. They could also operate for longer periods without refueling. Electric locomotives, powered by overhead lines or a third rail, provided even greater efficiency and environmental benefits. They were particularly well suited for urban areas and high-speed lines. The transition from steam to diesel and electric power was gradual. Steam locomotives continued to operate in many parts of the world until the mid-20th century. However, the superior efficiency and performance of diesel and electric trains eventually led to their dominance.